Artistic exploration is like a science experiment. Scientists and innovators are curious about how things work, so they manipulate materials to try to answer their questions. They notice and describe what happens in their experiment, and then they let their discoveries guide their next line of inquiry and spark innovative ideas. Artists approach their materials with curiosity. They manipulate those materials to learn about them. They notice and describe what happens in their exploration. Then, they let their discoveries inspire further exploration and ideas for what to create. Although they may use different materials and produce different content, artists and scientists engage in a similar process. They are curious. They manipulate materials. They notice and describe what happened. They let their discoveries inspire innovative ideas. When you give children time and support to engage in a rigorous artistic process, where they're truly allowed to follow their curiosity and make their own discoveries, you are strengthening the same cognitive skills that they need to engage in scientific inquiry and innovation.